Pasta alla Norma, a delicious Sicilian pasta so good to sound like Bellini's opera. Are you ready to eat pasta alla Norma? I'm Emma. I was chef and photographer for one day. Follow my instruction to cook a delicious pasta alla Norma. Pasta alla Norma. 4 people. 35 minutes. Ingredients: 1 aubergine, olive oil, 1 garlic clove minced, 400 grams San Marzano tomatoes, 1 tin, 400 grams pasta, penne, fusilli or sedani rigati, basil to garnish, ricotta salata to garnish. Step 1. Slice the aubergine. Slice or dice the aubergine into 1 or 2 centimeter cubes or slices and sprinkle with salt. Leave in a colander for 10 minutes to draw out any excess moisture. Step 2. Sauté the garlic. Gently sauté the minced garlic in 1 tablespoon of olive oil for about 30 seconds or until just soft. Step 3. Add tomatoes. Add the tomatoes. If using well-tinned tomatoes, roughly chop them before adding. Simmer for 10 or 15 minutes until the sauce has thickened slightly. Stir intermittently to avoid any sticking. Step 4. Fry the aubergine. Rinse the salt from the aubergine and pat dry with kitchen paper. Fry the aubergine in olive oil until golden. Once golden, drain on kitchen paper to remove any excess oil. Step 5. Cook the pasta. Cook the pasta in a pan of evenly salted boiling water for 8 or 10 minutes or as the packet instructions. Once the pasta is cooked al dente, drain and add to tomato sauce. Add the aubergine. Toss so the pasta is evenly coated in the sauce. Step 6. Garnish. Garnish with basil leaves and sprinkle grates, ricotta salata, or shavings of ricotta and serve. Enjoy your meal. Buon appetito!